Amiable is an adjective used to describe someone who is friendly, pleasant and good-natured. It conveys warmth and a willingness to engage positively with others, making it a highly complimentary term when describing someone's personality or demeanor. Origins of amiable. The word amiable comes from the Latin amicabilis, meaning friendly or peaceable, which is derived from amicus in friend. It entered English in the late Middle Ages and has retained its association with kindness and approachability. How to use amiable. Amiable is typically used to highlight a person's approachable and kind-hearted nature. It may also describe interactions, behaviors, or atmospheres that are pleasant and agreeable. Example sentences: she is an amiable host, always making her guests feel welcome and comfortable. Despite their differences, they maintained an amiable relationship built on mutual respect. His amiable smile put everyone at ease during the meeting. Similar words: friendly, acting in a kind and pleasant way; affable, easy to talk to, approachable and warm; genial, cheerful and kind in manner. Nuances of amiable. Amiable typically describes someone who is naturally pleasant and easygoing, without effort or pretense. It implies a consistency and kindness, even in less than ideal circumstances. While it often applies to people, it can also describe an overall pleasant atmosphere or tone in conversations or situations. In essence, amiable captures the qualities of warmth, kindness, and approachability that make relationships and interactions harmonious and enjoyable. It reminds us of the value of positivity and goodwill in human connections.